The search is on for People's National Party candidate to contest the East Portland seat in the next general elections. Speaking on RJR's hotline with Emily Shields on Thursday, the former caretaker candidate Damian Crawford said he informed supporters in the constituency November last year of his intention to step down. He however rejected suggestions that he was heading elsewhere and insisted that he will be concentrating on building his small business. It was the news headline of the day.
Damian Crawford stays.
Damian Crawford was speaking at a workers' meeting in Port Antonio days after his defeat in the East Portland by-election in April 2019.
And I'm staying because the children need an example. That if first you try and don't succeed, try again. Try again. I'm here to stay because of the comrades who must be reminded that there's something about this party that deserves loving, that deserves effort, that deserves commitment.
But he's appeared to have a change of heart. This week, Mr. Crawford confirmed reports that he's withdrawing as PNP caretaker candidate for East Portland. A PNP insider said he informed the party on Monday. Speaking on RJR's hotline with Emily Shields on Thursday, Mr. Crawford said that decision was made late last year.
Portland people can tell you that I met with them. And Darrell Vaz was tweeting about running away. But at the end of the day, every tub have to sit down on them own bottom. And every man have to know what other sacrifice he can make.
Prior to contesting the by-election, Mr. Crawford also revealed that initially he wasn't interested in the seat.
The person was murdered, right? And the party called upon me because I understood and we understood that if we lost it, it would have been the hell to pay. And if we won it, we'd have been in a great situation. I said to them at the time, if nobody else can win it, I will try. We did our polls, and our polls show that I was far ahead of other PNP people, but far behind where because of what was happening. And I went.
And if you won it, you would have had at least an MP salary.
You'd have had a salary, and you'd have had a CDS, because the cost of running... people still have needs where they are asking for, you know.
Yes.
And when they ask you to fulfill those needs, some of them, just because you have a conscience, you want to do it because they are legitimate needs, you know. So when a man can't bury people, you know, he still come to you as a caretaker. I don't care if you win or lose.
And so it's back to the drawing board for the PNP. It's understood that the party has been in dialogue with prospective candidates. It's still left to be seen, however, if attorney-at-law Andrea Moore will offer herself for the position, having been snubbed twice. We sought reactions from supporters in the PNP stronghold of Prospect in East Portland.
It's his decision to make. But Miss Moore, if not no Crawford, is Miss Moore for sure.
I am hurt because I was on the campaign trail with him. I did a lot of canvassing, I worked, and I didn't know I worked in vain because I thought he would stay. But if he's not going to stay, the person that we need is Miss Moore.
Love you dearly, Damien, but we want Miss Moore around here.
Yeah, with the things say, he might go develop Portland and stuff, but he have to go, that's just life. Even if he did win over here, that's still busy because he have major roles to play in Kingston. So
it is hoped that the new caretaker will be selected ahead of the PNP's candidates retreat on Sunday, at which the full slate of 63 contestants for the next general election will be revealed.